What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sage from Sonic Frontiers. Now for this character we're only going to be drawing the right eye because the left side gets covered by the hair. So let's start right in the middle, step over towards the right, draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up and then bend that out towards the side. Now let's draw on the bottom of the eye. We're going to come down. I'm just going to pull that in about halfway. Now you want to add some thickness to the eyelid. Starting from the inside. Just going to taper this so it gets wider as you go towards the outside. And taper the bottom, coming in. And then we'll fill this gap in black. And I pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. So let's start down here and draw a half oval. Come down towards the bottom, go up and pull that in. Let's trace the iris along the inside for the pupil. Going around and then up. Let's add a curve along the top for a highlight. And then we'll fill the center of the pupil in black going around that highlight. Now from the inside of the eye, let's step towards the middle, come down and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve, coming down and up. Let's step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now from the tip of the nose, let's step back down, add a curve going up and down for the mouth. Now, directly above the right eye, we're going to step up and draw in the hair. We come down, across the eye, and then over towards the left. Let's taper this back up. Now from here, we're going to draw a swirl going all the way around towards the top of the head and then back in. So let's start here, come down, go across towards the side. I'm just going to pull that up towards the top of the head. Let's bend this back around. Now I'm going to start to swirl this in. Coming in, go around the middle, and then pull that down. Let's add that trim over along the left side. We'll go out, around the bottom, and just pull that up. Let's go back to this point. We're going to curl the hair going around the eye and then in towards the face. Go around, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Go out towards the side, and then bend that back in. Let's go back up to the top of the head, go around, and then down. Let's add another point. Come down and in, go all the way around the side of the head, pull that up and in. Now I close off the top with a curve going in behind. Now you want to take this point and flip it over on the left side. So let's start underneath this curve, come down and then in towards the same height. And then we'll just bend that back up underneath the hair. Now with the hair in place, we're going to close off the bottom of the head. From this point, we're going to step up, curve this down in towards the chin, round this out, and go up towards the right. Let's add another point along the side. Starting up here, come around, and then in, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's go back up above the right eye and add the eyebrow. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the top of the body. We're going to start right in the middle with a V. From the ends, I'm just going to curve this out and then up towards the side of the body. Now I want to tuck the shoulders in behind this line. So from the left, we're going to step in, angle this up and in underneath the head. And now we're going to draw on the side of the body. From this line, we're going to step down, start on the left. Draw a short curve, coming down and out. Let's line this up over on the right. We're going to go a bit longer. Come down, and then out towards the bottom. Now to go back over towards the left side, we're going to draw a wave that goes all the way across. Go up, come down, up, and then down towards the side. Now in the center, draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs, and then we'll draw on the feet. Let's start with the left side. Curve this down, around, and then up. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing over on the right side. From the ankle, let's bend the leg, going out and then up underneath. Now you want to wrap her cloak in behind the legs. Let's start back over on the left, round this out, and then pull that in. Let's go over towards the right, curl this around. I'm just going to tuck that up underneath. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the collar. We're going to bend the arms, coming down and then out on either side. And we'll bend the cuff, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Now that we have the body in place, let's go back and add the back layer of hair. We're going to start on the left, goes down and in, taper that back up, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from that same point, we're just going to bend this down and in behind the shoulders. Now let's draw the hands coming out from underneath the sleeve. We're going to start from this point, go up, and then bend the thumb coming back in. Let's add in the index finger, going out at an angle, and then bend that back in. Now you want to draw 2 more fingers along the inside. Go straight down, and then up. Add 1 more finger coming down and up underneath the sleeve. Let's go back to the base of the thumb and add the edge of the palm, coming down and in. Let's add that effect coming across the body, starting from the top of the left arm. It's going to wiggle this line, going all the way around, in towards the body. And then we'll continue all the way down towards the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a sage from Sonic Frontiers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more Sonic characters, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.